Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Netflix watch history. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC or your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Netflix login. Then click on netflix.com and log in to Netflix using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see the Netflix dashboard. Here, you can easily browse any movies or shows that you want to watch, and any shows or movies that you watch will be stored under your history. And in order to remove that, you'll have to click on your profile icon in the top right of the screen, click on account option, and this will take you to another page. So after you click on your account option and navigate to this page, you'll have to simply scroll down at the bottom and click on manage profiles button that is available just right there. Now, it will take you to your profile settings page where you'll have to click on the profile for which you want to delete your watch history. Now, scroll down and choose viewing activity option. It will instantly show you all the movies or shows that you'd be watching. So, in order to remove any one of them, click on the hide from viewing history option and that will instantly remove that specific show or movie from your viewing history. So that's the simple way through which you can delete your Netflix watch history. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.